Alright, so who's ready to hear about another one of the new releases from Vuarnet? Today we're going to talk about the model VL1907. So this is one of the Edge models made in a larger size. So now, those big heads, unlike mine, you'll see, I'm not wearing these today. We actually have one that works. And this one in particular is very cool because we do have that French flag on the outer edge. Now, that's a touch I like. Some people don't. Some people love it. Some people hate it. Some people won't wear anything else. We're all different. But the main thing with these, this is a much larger size from Vuarnet, so it is going to fit a much larger face. You can see that's a lot bigger on me, but that still does have that acetate trim ring around the edges. We've got that nice metal bar across the top for a little bit extra support, so you don't get quite as much wiggle this way out of these. Overall, still a great frame. As with Vuarnet, it's always great stuff. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's made in France. They use the mineral glass lenses. I don't know how you go wrong with this stuff. Still is a stainless steel temple, of course, so a lot of adjustment there to get that fit refined. They do have those nice rubber siliconized nose pads there. I'm getting some weird glare, so I'm sorry you can't see that quite as well, but that is what you would see on most of their other frames. So no surprises there, in particular with this one. It is just finally that we have an Edge with a double bar and a nice big fit. So it does have the longer temples on it as well compared to most. So you do have a little bit extra room back here at the back to really get that back behind the ears nice and snug, so you don't have to worry about it falling off in the middle of doing whatever it is that you're doing. Now, I do like, this is a multi-layer acetate, and they've trimmed it to where you actually get a little bit of that flag definition even on the inside, but because of the way it's cut, you also have this nice blue ring on the inner edges too. So just a lot of detail in this particular frame, and that's actually why I went ahead and got this flag design, because it does have that extra level of detail where you've got the multiple layers of acetate and then it's been cut down to give that relief at the edge, which again, just a little bit more detail, something a little bit more fun I like that stands out versus some of the other stuff. And then of course it's polished like all the others, so you do have that really nice finish to it. There we go, now it's actually showing up right. So, you know, again, French flag, Vuarnet made, and of course their lenses, their logo. This one in particular, not polarized, so I can still see it when I do this, but of course if you're going to put prescription in it anyways, we can make it polarized or whatever. Now, the polarized, you know, I get into that in some of the other videos. A lot of people think you need it for every pair of sunglasses. That's not really the case. It's not necessary. We'll link up for that video here, there, somewhere. We'll link that up, and it's there. So, anyways, I don't know what else to say. I love Vuarnet. They have great quality frames and lenses. Just another awesome new style from these. I guess price point, they're going to range around mid 300s, some tapping up to that 400 range in like the blue polar links where you've got the polarized with the mirror. Those always get a little bit more expensive. Now, we've got some other stuff coming soon in from Vuarnet, so we'll keep this trend of Vuarnets going for a little bit longer, then we'll jump back into some other stuff because Vuarnets are cool, but eventually we need something else, right? All right. So, if you like this video, of course, like, follow, subscribe, ring the bell, ding the dong, whatever the stuff is. Follow along however you wish so that you can keep up with some of the newer, cooler trends in sunglasses, some of the newer releases from the companies. We've got some really cool stuff coming at the end of the year, so you definitely don't want to miss that. I can't wait. We're actually working on that right now, but it'll be long past before, hopefully before the end of the year, maybe into next year. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Take care in the meantime, and wear some cool shades as you go along. Otherwise, I'm bored to death. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. We'll see you guys next time.